special friend who never lets us down, who understands it all, reaches out each time we fall. You're the best friend that I found. I know you can't stay, but part of you will never ever go away. Your heart will stay. I'll make a wish for you and hope it will come true, that life will just be kind to such a gentle mind. If you lose your way, think back on yesterday. Remember me this way. Remember me this way. I don't need eyes to see the love you bring to me, no matter where I go. And I know that you'll be there forevermore upon me, everywhere. Always care. I'll make a wish for you and hope it will come true, that life will just be kind to such a gentle mind. If you lose your way, think back on yesterday. Remember me this way. Remember me this way. And I'll be right behind. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Girl, I've been all over the world looking for you. I'm known for taking what I think I deserve, and you're overdue. And if you listen, you can hear me through the radio in that bright white noise. What I've been missing in my life, what I've been dreaming of. You'll be that girl, you'll be that girl, you'll be
Everything you want, so let me get up there. I'm the baddest baby in the atmosphere. Tell me what you want, so we can do just what you like.
You make me feel good. You make me feel so. You make me feel.
nagbago. At ang lahat ng to ay aking tatandaan, ang bawat yugto ng ating samahan. Hindi malilimutan, panahon ng kasiyahan, nasa puso at isipan kailanman. At ang lahat ng to ay aking tatandaan, ang bawat yugto ng ating samahan. Hindi malilimutan, panahon ng kasiyahan, nasa puso at isipan kailanman. Nasa puso at isipan kailanman.
Hello, 40. Congrats kasi graduate na kayo. And I hope na sa next level ay magiging successful yung career mo. Yung first question, yung characteristics ng mga fourth year ay hindi ko makakalimutan. Sa mula first year, at saka first year, second year, third year, kayo yung klase ko na tahimik lang, parang maganda yung flow ng session. Pero of course, ang iba, makulit, natutulog, patungan, katulad ni Eman, natutulog lang sa klase, hindi nakikinig, ngayon din, nakikinig din, pero minsan hindi. Si Arnold, tulog din sa klase. Si Macho, lagi nang ipag-usap sa katabi niya. Pwede lahat, sabihin. Ito pa nga, si Bien, makulit, pero masaya. Kaya ang tao. Si Sam, masayahin din. Parang leader siya ng 4th year. I like that attitude. Parang natakot yung mga klase kayo. So, of course, makahandle niyo yung klase niyo. Si Ruzmar, minsan, ano din, nakikipag-usap sa mga klase, pero alam niyo yung klase. Yung lovers, may lovers, Christine at Ricard. Ay nako. Kayong dalawa ha, pag-aaral mo na. Next, si Minerva at si Ray Marlo. Dalawa na ba sila? Hindi. Kasi parang po, ayan, mabait sila. Si Joy at si Brett. Kayong dalawa ko, naging mahayos mo. We have Sen, mabait, agad, patikinig. Minsan naman hindi, no? Si Shakir, minsan hindi na patikinig, pero mabait, tahimik, sadly, si Tina, si Catherine, yan, nakatawa ko siya, si Tina, mabait, isa yung best niya, si Ayan, mabait si Manuel, si Central Puyo, si Tina, yun yung mga grupo na classmate. Yung mga sa ano, mga hindi ko matawag, good luck, gagyan, I hope you're and meron ako lang, sana, i-ben yun, sa kayo ng school, hindi nyo makikalimutan yung banding nyo, yung mga away nyo, mga kakulitan nyo. So, yun yung interest sa nila. And hope na magiging makating sa puno ng magiging makagilang. Rin nyo o sa ilan. Bye for me.
Okay, I think the 2012 batch of the 4th year, I think this batch is the best class that I have had for my 2 years of stay here. So I am warmly congratulating you on your graduation. I wish you a great success in your chosen field of endeavor, and I hope that when you enter the portals of the university, I hope you will exert extra effort in your studies. It's because it's getting harder this time. I have no dull moments with the 4th year. It's because every day I enjoy the class with them. They are actively participating in the class discussions, especially the girls. Janina, Joyce Angelica, Jessica Joyce, Sam, Rodmar, Shaquille, and etc. Persons that I can't forget. I don't know if it's negative or positive way, but this person is physically present but totally absent during the class discussions, and there are so many. I think there are Emmanuel, Matthew, J.R., Arnold. A message, yes, great success in the future, and I will miss you guys. Yes, I do. Thank you.
The batch 2011 to 12, characteristics, kung sinabi characteristics, they're different from the other batch. In the 4th year, I think, sila yung batch saan pwede isang funding sa kanila yung teacher. Sila din yung batch, yung talaga ito. Nagkakaroon din tawag natin action or grupo. Yung grupo na ito yung group po ng mga babae at ng mga lalaki na kung saan yung mga girls meron silang hanggang sariling identity. Kasi sa group nila, Minerva, Joy, Sumarito, Yan. And sila naman yung group, or yung group nila siya team, yung mga kalalakihan, sila Jerome, sila Bren, yung circle of friends nila, manong yung action. And then the group of Mark, sila, then, sino pa, Catherine, kaya, so iba naman yung kanilang action ng grupo. So, masasabi ko yung project ngayon, one of the best advisory that I had in my 4 years in teaching and siguro, if ever mawala sila dito sa school natin, o namin, sila yung isa sa mga nakakamiss ng mga school. And then, that's the next school year in Provincia ngayon. And when we have our yung 3 days sa bahay nila sa anak ko memories na nangyari when we are having our 3 days. So, nakita namin ng 3 days ngayon because of your perseverance, determination to win sa tinatawag natin sa festival, competition. And yung mga hindi ko makakalimutan siguro yung estudyante, of course, nandiyan yung mga musical girls, headed by Luna, headed by Jasmine. So, sila yung grupo na pang-usap natin yung yan sila sa pinagyan sila hindi na iniwanan yung sarita. Sila yung grupo kung saan hindi na sa mga kapito sa program ngayon, sinusok namin sa pinaka-responsible ng type student. Nakita ko yung personal income, personal appreciation na ginawakan ko din ang mga appreciation. And message ko tayo sa 4th year, sabi ko na, during kung tayo break natin sa school, this advice sa teacher, magiging part na ako ng every student process. And pagkabang buhay na yan, masasabi ko na magiging proud ako for achieving the future. Halimbawa, achieving effort na hindi sa Philippines, minsan, nagiging pagkat ng buhay ng bata. Okay, ay ang buhay, pwedeng isa ako sa mga nag-motivate na makamitin ang mga nagpiliin sa buhay. Sinina, sabi ko rin na naging parte o naging parte ng buhay. I motivated her. I transformed her students and all the possible students of society. So, siguro, yung kabuang natin para sa kanila, yung kapitong work, study well, and yung project grade, and sa bukutan, yung mga teacher can provide in those requirements. Kasi, sila yung kabundok sa atin, kung bakit tayo nakarating, and kung bakit tayo nakarating. Kung naman ako,